Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to cancel a PhotoMath subscription. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is head over and open up your PhotoMath app, and once you open it, what you need to do is tap on the three bar icon on the top left corner of the screen. And once you do that, here you'll find the option that says PhotoMath Plus. Now if you have subscribed, what you need to do is simply tap on the subscription, and then there you'll find an option that says cancel subscription or remove subscription. Simply tap on that and follow the on-screen process to successfully cancel the PhotoMath subscription. Now the next method is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside your settings, tap on your Apple ID. And once you're inside your Apple account, tap on subscriptions. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is simply, if you have more than one or more subscriptions, then what you need to do is simply scroll down and then locate PhotoMath subscription, tap on it, and under it you'll find the cancel subscription button highlighted in red color. Tap on that and then tap on cancel subscription to confirm your choice, and then you'll have successfully canceled the PhotoMath subscription. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.